Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate the old Netflix logo effect, which is really easy and really cool. So let's jump right into it.
Right, so we'll start off by grabbing our rectangle tool and making our background. You can choose your color over here. I'm going to go with a red. Remove the stroke color by clicking here. And then press Command 2 on your keyboard to lock your background in place. Now it's time to write the text. So write whatever you want. I'll write Netflix. And then you can choose your font from here. Hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag down to create duplicates of your text. You want to have 3 in total. You then want to make a copy white. Another one, you're going to make a lighter color of your background. And the other one, you're going to make a darker shade of your background. So something like this. You're then going to select the bottom 2 copies and go to Object, Blend, Make, Object, Blend, Blend Options, Specified Steps. We're going to place about 100. We're then going to go to Blend, Reverse Spine, or Reverse Front to Back. It's basically the same thing, because we want the dark text to be on the bottom, right? We're then gonna double click on the bottom back copy and make it a little smaller. You're then gonna click here. We're gonna select Arch and we're gonna edit this to about maybe 15% or maybe like 11 or 10 as well, somewhere in between that. You're then going to click and drag a little upwards to get something like this. Finally, you're going to place your white copy on top of it. If, as in this case, it's behind, you can just right click on it, click on Arrange, Bring to Front, and then just place it on top. And there you go. So easy.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.